Hello everyone! Today we'll be learning how to make a cheese-filled bread. The ingredients will be listed in the description. First, we'll be dicing one whole medium onion. Transfer it into a bowl where we'll be adding all the ingredients in. Next step is to cut some smoked sausage. You can use chorizo if you prefer. Add about half of the package. Add it to the same bowl as the onion. Now add your shredded cheese. Use about half the pack of cheddar cheese or any other you have. For the mozzarella, I used almost all since I used a bigger pack, but you can use the whole pack. Now about half the pack of mayonnaise. Mix, mix, mix. It should look as shown. If you need, add more mayonnaise. Bread time! You can use any you'd like as long as you can remove the inside and fill it with the cheese. Start by cutting a circle at the top. This will be needed later to close the bread. Remove the inside and set it aside. We'll use this. Once done, set the bread on an oven tray. Don't add the inside of the bread yet, as we'll be adding them later as they take less time in the oven. Fill your bread with the cheese now. Close the bread, wrap it in foil, and put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 1 hour, checking it after 30 minutes. Once done, remove the foil and take it back into the oven with the extra bread removed from inside of the loaf and leave it for 10 minutes or until they look toasted. And here's the final result. Enjoy it with the extra bread, or you can toast some bread or some mini toasts.